How can you get an injunction? If you are a victim of domestic violence or are in fear of being a victim of domestic violence, you may qualify for an injunction. In order to get an injunction, you need to go down to the circuit court in your area and get the paperwork to fill out for an injunction. When you get to the circuit court in your area, go to the clerk's office and they will give you the paperwork. When filling out the paperwork, be sure to be clear about the facts and circumstances surrounding the domestic violence and the fact that you are in fear. Once you're done filling out the paperwork, you need to give it back to the clerk and they will give you a court date. You need to be sure that you show up for that court date, because at that court date there will be your time to prove that you are a victim of domestic violence or you are in fear of being a victim of domestic violence. Be aware that your abuser will be there as well. They will have the opportunity to defend themselves against the domestic violence injunction. Be prepared to testify and tell the judge about the facts and circumstances surrounding the domestic violence and the fact that you are in fear. Once the hearing is over, the judge will determine whether or not you qualify for a domestic violence injunction.